All right. Yeah, while I was plumbing this house, I was just checking out the drains, and it's funny because this drain right here was never attached. It was never glued. You know, they used some stuff and they got it, but there's never been any glue on that. So crazy, you know. And I guess the strap gave up right here, and you know, somebody took out a toilet or something and moved it a little bit, and pow, and it's been running under the house this whole time. And right here laying underneath it, I found these giant panties. I mean, these jokers, you could sail it. Well, they've been sitting there for years and years. I'm sure everything's dead, I hope. I like to hold them up for you. For all these disbelievers around here, this is a giant set. Look at those jokers. Wow. Woo! I mean, I could fit twice in that. That's a big set of panties. But anyway, talking about drains, I'm fixing to glue that thing. That's right. Alright, so here we go. Okay, first things first, I got my, all this is PVC, so I got purple primer and then PVC cement. That's all I need. So, let's go. Pretty skanky. Golly. There's hair on it. Got a brand new one right here. Had to break out the old Gerber. To the rescue. Yeah, the Gerber got it again. I don't know what I'd do without my Gerber knife. But anyway, while I'm right here, ooh, my light. The handle's catching on fire. Sons of... Can you still see? Alright, looks like it. Alright, so we're just going to lay the purple primer to it. We're not going to be stingy. I don't know how stingy you're supposed to be with this stuff, but I don't take any chances. I just lay it to it with all this glue, all this PVC glue, CPVC cement and everything else. Just lay it to it. Get another can if you have to. What the heck. I'd rather they stick and don't worry about it. I mean, there is a point where you say, well, you know, that's good enough. But how do you know if you can't see? So just do it really good to the best of your abilities. Okay. Here we go. And same with the glue. I get it real good. All right. I'd say that's really good. Almost too good. I better get closer. Yep, still sliding a little bit. So I'm just going to hold it here for a little bit. Can't be too careful. It's starting to go to hold it. I'm letting loose a little bit and checking it, but it's best to just leave it. Yeah. Wish I could reuse this strap right here. Holy crap. And away we go. Right back up. Still sliding out though. If I'm here longer than 5 minutes, I'd say this was the wrong glue. Seems like it's holding now though. But I'm still gonna wait and hold it. Check on my other fittings. Because I guess this is where they must have ran out of glue. That's as far as it goes, eh? Okay. Nasty. What the hell? I found a watermelon salt shaker. That's wonderful. Okay. That ought to hold it. And that, there it will stay. And that was the only reason I bought this glue. The CPVC, PVC glue. PVC cement. For that one fitting. Yeah. Gracious. Okay, well, onward.